In today's video, I go fishing for Datsun Sunnys and I hook this golden VB10. Do keep an eye out for something else that got snagged in the drift net. This whale. Don't worry, research purposes only.
That's right, coming at you, my man Dan, the Australian in Japan, bringing you them classic autos from across the sea, showing them to you and me, cars that would never be seen again, rusted up, tell a friend, cars that no one gives a damn, except the Wasabi Dan, and then they're seen again, and what do you know, coming at you live in another WasabiCars video. Teaching in school and you to do, spot them guys is what he'll do, keep on.
Hey, g'day everyone, Daniel O'Grady. Welcome to another WasabiCars video. Caught myself off guard then. What a funny old experience I'm having. I'm at a place called Carland Win. Carland Win in Fukuoka. There's a bold and striking building. Very kind people. I said I'm a bit of a YouTuber. I showed them a magazine with me in it of my channel and stuff, and I said, can I shoot some vid? And they were like, oh yeah, not bad. So anyway, they seem to specialize in sunnies, is what I'm trying to say. That's not bad either. Check this out. I saw this on a car sales page. Could have been goo-net blah 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 blah, and I thought that's a pretty cool car. It's a rare, early, sunny. It's a rare, unusual body style. I've only seen a couple of these, so really cool to see this. Anyway, so there's a bunch of cars. We've got a Sunny truck here. Konnichiwa. Yeah, well, you know, you can see that they're working on cars, is what I'm saying. It's basically what I'm saying. Now, just generally speaking, we've got a 310 here. We've got a Sunny truck, a Coupe, and then our two-door van. Now, I think we can just get to the front of this one and we can begin things properly. 310 van. Now, there was a variation of this body style, California. But there you go, this is not that one. And manual, 5-speed manual by the looks of it. Nardy sports steering wheel, freaking cool. Cup holders and all that. SSR Mark IIs. That is a wheel that I like a lot. I really do. I really do. Also, we've got Laurel. How common are these Laurel side marker lights? Any other car with the same lights, I would not be surprised. Wow, I'm surprised that it is not. Next, Sunny truck. All the common bits and pieces, you know, chin spoiler, Watanabe wheels, that gunmetal-esque color, fender mounted side mirrors. Maybe this needs a Huck or Torta face. What do you reckon, people? Recaro seat cover. No, Recaro, of course. Yeah. Oh, wait a sec. Can we see in there? How's that? Longbody. There we go. So, you know, I mean, I kind of see these a lot, and I think a bunch came out of the factory with the square headlights, and then people put the older Sunny faces on them, which is, I think that's a pretty common thing. Again, oh, we got no number plate. Well, that makes my life a little bit easier. I can bring it down here. There we go. We're missing front lip. We are missing Watanabe wheels. It does have that gunmetal color though. A little bit rough, you know. It's not in pristine state by any stretch of the imagination. I'm liking those seats, to be honest. Yeah, a little bit sporty. Original steering wheel. Oh, is that like a factory aircon? That's cool. Yeah, okay, so there's that. Boom boom. Yeah, and then next we're looking at a Coupe. What are those wheels? Are they like Bridgestone Zona or something? Zona, Bridgestone Zona, nailed it. Ooh, a little bit of rust. Again, I can't show you all of it, but you get the deal. You get the gist of it, is what I'm trying to say. Not bad. Oh yeah, there we go. Sunny Coupe Deluxe. Yeah, a bit of rust and stuff there, but hey, what's you know, what do you expect from a car of this age? Has to happen, hey. So that's pretty cool. Now, the car we're all here to see. What a brilliant gold color that is. Hayashi Racing Streets, of course. Not bad. Here we go. Oh, a bit of tape there, interesting. But you know, it certainly shows sign of wear and rust and whatever. To be expected. And the paint looks to be not bad. However, bubbles of rust and stuff, and that, yeah, I'm not going to hang too much crap on it, hey, because they're very kindly offered me a good old walk around on this one, but the rubbers, the seals look a bit toasted too, hey. I do like the pinstripe. My VK Calais had a very similar stripe. Let's have a look. Oh, push button. It's cozy. It is real cozy, people. Cozy, and by that I mean toasty. I just don't want that door to hit that other one. Okay, let's check it out, people. Nothing seems to line up, hey. Is that like handmade? No, but it's a bit off. Clearly we've got some aftermarket reupholstery that's happened on these door cards. Wow, I mean, what an interesting car. Like, it feels really different, you know, like the ribs, you can see the ribs of the roof here, and then check out the construction of them. Like, you're not seeing that. You know what I'm saying? You're just not seeing that. Most interesting. And then, is that how it was? Is that how it was, or was there like a bit of trim that sort of covered that? I mean, I just don't know. But I'd speculate. It just seems a bit weird, people. Seems a bit weird. I'm just not seeing enough of these, to be honest. Transmission tunnel, of course we've got a, what's this? This is intriguing me. Oh, and the vent, look at that. You just look at that, people. Hey? Like, you know what the vent, you know, to open it, you know exactly what you're doing. Wow. Moon Eyes floor mat as well. One there and one there. Upskirting. Well, let's just jump out. Look, oh yeah, we want to check the engine. Just a sec. How do I check the engine? I figured it out. Well, I've just received word that he wants to crank the engine over, so this is exciting. Dun dun. Smells so good. Oh, wait a sec, did I show you? There's one more car. Jackpot, people. Check it out, Kujira Crown. I'm not 100% sure I've seen those tail lights before, but not bad. Shame about that copyright music. Look at that, people. Speed Star. What am I gonna do with this music? No vinyl roof, that's the odd thing to say, but that's pretty cool. There is a Kenmeri here, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm keen for this one. Oh, Sonny. There we go, people, check it out. This is incredible. It's a bit dusty, it's straight as heck. Of course, it's got the hardtop, the two-door only face, the rectangular headlights. That is amazing. I'm loving this, people. It's been here for years by the looks of it. Maybe I can show you. Look at that dust on the Kenmeri. Incredible. Incredible. But like I said, I'm here for that.